Hey y'all, what is up? My beautiful boogly bogglers. It's Alexa.
And Avery.
And where are we going today?
To Chick-Fil-A!
It rhymed.
Where are we going today? To Chick-Fil-A.
We're going to Chick-Fil-A. Guys, we're going to get the grilled chicken. Oh, spicy grilled chicken. Who is honking? Who is that? So yeah, that's what we're doing. And it just came out.
That's my spirit animal. I'm sorry, a goose. My spirit animal is a goose. I'm half.
A goose? Why a goose? Doesn't sound like a goose.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get that, and then we're do. You want the meal, right? Hey. Do you want the meal?
Yeah, crazy. Ow! You pinched me.
Do you want the meal?
Yes, I want the meal because I love fries.
Okay.
And I love drinks.
And what drink do you want?
Sprite.
Wasn't the Sprite kind of weird last time?
It was like, no, the spicy one was Whataburger.
I don't think so.
Yes, it was. I was
Nope.
burping so much, remember? Shine bright like a diamond. Awesome
Shine bright
song.
like a diamond. Are you Rihanna?
No.
Do you know who Rihanna is?
Yes.
What's Rihanna's last name?
Kylie Jenner.
What's Kylie's last name?
Jenner.
What's Beyonce's last name?
Ariana Grande.
We're so dumb. It's a spicy grilled chicken. Oh, wait, spicy chicken? Spicy grilled chicken? Give me 1 second, I need to look it up. My internet sucks so bad, and I want to literally throw my phone across this entire Chick-Fil-A parking lot. Hi.
We're back, guys.
We're back, and
back.
we figured out that it is
The spicy chicken deluxe.
Okay, don't let me talk. That's fine. Go ahead, take over the show.
Alright. No.
Why does my wheel look like a bus wheel? Do you have your seatbelt on, miss? Yes. What if I just run through this and you fly through the window? Can you imagine seeing Avery just go?
That'd be
You'd probably
scary.
die. But for video purposes, be a very good clickbait. Okay,
Avery-
is Tesla going?
Avery gets shot through the window.
I don't know which one's.
And then it'd be on the news.
I have
and
to
it'd be
pick
famous.
one. They'd be about. What? Huh? Say it again? They'd be about.
Why do you do that? It's like so annoying.
It's because when I whistle. See? When I whistle my words, that's what I was really gonna say. It's just natural that goes after it. What do you do after you mess up?
I do.
You look
Eat
like
my
the
word.
laziest person ever. Sit up.
Hi, can I have the grilled spicy deluxe, please?
That'll be it. Thank you. You too. This is so embarrassing.
Hi,
'cause
sir.
Avery, stop. Did he say hi back?
I don't know.
That's funny. Mosquitoes, termites, and more pests.
What? Where did you see that?
On the truck. Avery, and more. I literally, LITERRALLY saw that Range
can't
Rover
spell.
early this morning. That exact one because it was so pretty. Guys, your favorite person. She's in the front row.
You're messing the lighting up because it doesn't even like you. Oh, get roasted,
This is literally proving that once you move, you can see it messing up. You're literally the worst person in this entire world. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Oh no, it's so bright. Can you hold this
Yeah.
so I can do something? Look at them beauties. They're so pretty. They're always so pretty. You gotta show it off. Drum roll, please. Oh, y'all see the napkin? My bad.
Oh, it smells.
Oh, it
so
smells
good.
really good. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah, but that part. Okay, this lighting is not that bad. Okay, let's eat it. Let's try this boy out. Alright, 1, 2, 3. I even get the chicken. Spicy. Woo! Ugh, and that drink's horrible. Do you like it? It is so spicy. Or maybe I'm just a baby. So, it is really spicy. Your whole mouth has spiciness on it.
Oh yeah.
No, you can't even see it.
You can look. It's right there.
No, Avery, you say your head. Do you ever say ow for other people? I say ow for other people all the time.
No, I'm not weird like you.
That's not weird.
Yeah,
Clean your mouth. This one's dirty too. I am giving this whole thing up. Oh my god. You don't know how much mad this makes me. Like, one thing goes wrong and I get in like a bad mood.
Yeah. Tastes
So
the glorious taste of sparkling
it's so
water.
gross. It's disgusting.
Hits the spot right here. It's like LaCroix.
Ew. Ugh. They're so bad. I asked for Sprite. See, I literally told you in the beginning of this video that their Sprite was like that.
Wasn't the Sprite kind of weird last time?
You didn't say what it was like,
I said it was bad.
but you didn't say exactly.
Stop, look at all those crumbs you're spilling. I'm gonna throw you out this window.
I don't see anything.
I saw like 4 fall.
I don't see anything.
Okay. Guys, I think we're gonna end this because I'm about to go insane with this parking spot because we couldn't find good lighting. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Can I zoom in on a video? Oh, I can't. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, sorry.
So
That was literally entering heaven.
I know, right? You're so,
Like,
you're so terrible.
when y'all enter heaven, y'all get to see me and
Yeah. Famous YouTubers that lived a long life.
that lived a long Chick-Fil-A life. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. It's kind of all over the place, but
Sorry.
I would recommend going to try the grilled spicy chicken and seeing how you like it, because it was pretty good, especially if you like spicy stuff. If not, then but if you like spicy stuff, go try it. Can you close it out because of my vacuum?
Oh my god, you always tell me to close it
Yeah,
out.
because you don't say anything in the last 5 minutes, and so I want you to.
I know what I'm doing. Ow! Ow! Oh, my hair. Karma! Karma!
Can we close it out?
Maybe I'm gonna be an author, and it'll be, and my famous book will become The Life of Fat Joe.
Anyone who is
that's a
Joe
comment.
on this channel is gonna get really offended.
What? Oh yeah.
So apparently that's our ending.
Yeah.
We love y'all so much. We will see you on our next video. So guys, we want to shout out this other YouTuber called The Endorsement. He was nice enough to give us a shout out on his channel. He picked like a good handful of small YouTube channels and ones that he liked, and we were featured in that little group.
Kebab.
Chicken kebab. So thank you so much. That means, look at that whatever car that is. Is that a...
Dang.
What car is that? Is that a Rolls Royce? Did you see our reaction? We were like...
Worse.
So we want to say thank you to him for doing that. That is super sweet. He's a great channel. Y'all should go check him out also. But yeah, guys, I just hit my leg. We are done. Goodbye. We love y'all.
Goodbye.
Mwah.